welcome back to my channel. Today I'm testing out my new ring light. As you may see, this is a different setup. This is not where I'm going to be in the future. I'm fixing a setup in the basement where I'm going to have my beauty room. So we're going to unbox this month Goodiebox. We have all waited for this extremely long because they had some shipping problems. They changed the company who delivered the boxes, so that's why. But anyhow, we're going to open this today, finally. I'm also waiting for the advent calendar, 2 advent calendars. It seems like they have problems with that too, so okay. Wasn't the last one, the last month box, also orange? Or was it? I don't know. Okay, so this is a monthly subscription when you get, I think it's 5 products every month. It can be makeup, skincare, hair care, so everything around beauty. It's not so expensive. I think it's about $19. I can put a link in the description box, so you can get your first box with 50% off, and I of course get points, and these points I eventually can buy boxes with, so it's a affiliate link, but this is not sponsored, also to clarify that. You get a card. In this card there are descriptions of every product. I always read that after I open the actual product. How are we going to do this? Oh, okay. We take this one because it wasn't in the actual package. Is this for a hairband? Not so nice color, maybe? I bought 2 of these yesterday, so... But I know people like this, so that's good. I'm sorry for my hair, I look terrible today. Yeah. So I dive in with my hand and reach for the first product. And it's a lipstick, I think. Model Company, maybe? Ever since I did nails, it's so hard opening packages. Now I understand the struggle when you watch all these YouTubers opening things and it takes them like 5 fucking hours. Yeah, the struggle is real. What the fuck? What do you call it? I don't know. But it's really pretty. I'm definitely going to try this. It almost looked like the one I have on now. Oh my god, it smells so good. I love that. Okay, that's a very good product. I love it. The second product is a face mist. A Cotton Cloud, 150 milliliters. That's a good size. It's from Goodiebox Essentials, so it's their own brand, obviously. Maybe you should. Maybe you shouldn't have these on makeup, but I don't care. Really beautiful, I like it, and big size, so that's fun. The next product is the Cure Stockholm. Treat wrinkles and lines in a flash with this highly concentrated triple hyaluronic acid based waterless serum containing apple stem cells, peptides, GABA, birch and red tea. I don't know what it is. It's like a little tube. Interesting. It looks very expensive and high-end, so maybe fun. Oh, is this an eyeliner? That's so cute. Do you see? How cute is that? Beautiful. I just turned down the light a bit, so I think that's better. The next is lashes from Fur. 3D Fox mink lashes. Handmade, vegan friendly, latex free, up to 10 wears. It's a black band, and I like the lashes with the transparent band because they're easier to apply and you can't see where the lash is exactly. I don't know how to explain, but I like the lashes with transparent bands, but these are very pretty and I will definitely try them. Is that the last? Huh. So now we're going to read the descriptions of every product. First of all, we have the lipstick from Model Company. It's a full size bullet lipstick. It retails for 215 crowns, Swedish crowns. That's around $20 for this. The color is spot on to the autumn and of course all around the year, always on trend. And then we have the lashes. Fur, full size, 3D Fox mink lashes. They retail for 181 crowns, Swedish crowns, so that's around $18. Are you ready for a wow effect? Handmade and vegan, latex free. It looks like fur. You can use them up to 10 times. It's the next level coolness. Don't worry, they're super easy to use. Okay. Next product is the LA Splash Cosmetics Wickedly Divine Eyeliner. This is also a full-size product. It retails for 155 Swedish crowns. That's around $15. Make you ready to go wild and sparkle away. Okay. The Rabens Salooner Tie-Dye Scrunchie retails for 175 Swedish crowns. That's $16-17 for this. That's expensive. That's fucking expensive. Love them, hate them, or try to ignore them. But scrunchies do a comeback. And who doesn't love a little tie-dye? Give your ponytail a bun, a funky vibe with this 60th century inspired scrunchie from the Rabens Salooner. Oh, happy hair day. I'm not mad. The Cure #1 Lift Instant Correcting Serum. How much is this? This is 10 milliliters. And the retail price for 30 milliliter is $85. Wow. A high-tech extreme moisturizing anti-aging wonder. Reduce fine lines, wrinkles, even your skin, and gives it a healthy glow. Okay. And the last product, the Essentials by Goodiebox. It's a full size. And this is a face mist. It retails for $10, so 99 Swedish crowns. When the weather is shifting, your skin reacts to the new temperatures. Spreads this into your skin. This wonderful perfume-free face mist. Spray 30 centimeters from your face and feel the freshness, maybe. Even perfect after a long party night with a lot of dance. I will give them a 5 point for their descriptions because they're not just like regular descriptions. They always try to make it funny, and that's appreciated. And as much as I love this box, I'm also a bit sad because of all the struggles receiving this box this month. Also not receiving my advent calendars. I ordered 2 of them and it's not long until December and I still haven't got them. I will keep paying this subscription. I really like the boxes, so it's worth it. Not this month because of all the trouble, but overall they're so good much better than the most beauty boxes you can subscribe to today. So like I said before, I will put a link down below. You can use the link and get 50% off your first box, so that is really good. Of course, it's a affiliate link, so I will get something for it, not money, but I will get goodie points, and these goodie points I eventually can buy boxes for. So yeah, that's everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And if you want notifications every time I upload a new video, you can click the bell button. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!